Hello, YouTube friends. It's Michelle Fox from Boss Babes Online and Michelle Fox Beauty. And today I'm giving you a sneak peek of my new online course. I'm so excited about this course. I can't even begin to tell you. I think it's going to be considered my flagship course. And I've begun what I'm calling Boss Babe Academy. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how excited I am about this. I've done a couple of courses in the past, but this is at a whole new level. We are going to have a website dedicated to it, an online workbook, a private Facebook group, tons of other perks. And I want you to hear about it from me right now. So I'm letting you in on the welcome video so that you have sort of a taste of what it's about, what my style is, and if you might be interested in taking this course with us. Here's the thing. Time is of the essence. My launch date is tentatively August 1st. It may be earlier than that. And for a limited time, you can purchase this online course, which will be yours forever, for half price. So take a listen and see if this sounds like something that would benefit you and your business, because I believe it will. Hello, friends. I'm Michelle Fox. Welcome to Boss Babe Academy and your course, The Fast Track to Facebook Success. This is indeed a step-by-step video course showing you how to effectively use Facebook to grow your direct sales business massively online. The things that you've been dreaming about, the things that you've been wishing for or wondering, why aren't people buying my things? Why are people not reading my posts? Why isn't my private Facebook group growing? Why am I just hearing crickets on my business page? We are going to figure that out. And better than that, we're going to fix it. I have been in direct sales for, 23 years. June of 2000 is when I began my skincare and beauty business. And I obviously did that in person. That was the thing at the time. In 2018, I started seeing other people use something called Facebook Live. And I thought, that seems really smart. And so I started playing around with Facebook Live videos. And I realized how much my audience liked that they really seemed to tune in, pun intended. And also, I was having a revelation that I really wanted my group, my private group, to be something that would welcome people, even if they weren't my customer yet. So I wanted to not just talk about the products as if they were buying them or were going to buy them, but to talk about the benefits and to talk about the skills that I had, the tips that I could offer, so that whether you were a customer or not, that you came in, you felt welcome, and you got something out of it. So I wanted it to be fun. I wanted it to feel like it was a community. And I wanted people to think of me as their online beauty resource. And I had not heard of attraction marketing or personal branding or any of that. But as I was just using what I thought was logical, rationale, my business kept growing. And to give you some numbers, I had probably 30 people initially in my Facebook private group. So what I call my customer group, struggling. Okay. Like nobody ever read anything. And that grew to about 300 within about a year to a year and a half. Now it's much larger than that. Mind blown. Okay. I also grew my team from maybe 3 or 4 at the time to 21 team members. My sales have always been steady because, like I said, I've been doing this for so long. But since I have started utilizing Facebook and social media marketing, I have hit certain marks that we have in our direct sales business, and I've gotten certain awards and titles that I had always wanted to get, but now I am getting them regularly without even really thinking about it. It's just part of the process of me doing business. It's just expected. It's wonderful. And it all started with Facebook. I have a great fondness for Facebook. 3 billion people are on Facebook. So, whether Facebook has always been your cup of tea or not, it is time for you to realize as a business owner that social media right now is no longer about you interacting with your friends and watching funny cat videos. Social media is a prime opportunity for you to connect and reach a vast audience of ideal customers. So the question isn't what social media appeals to you. The question is, where are your people? And I guarantee you that there is a significant number of people on Facebook that are looking for you, looking for your unique skills, your unique personality, your goods and services for sure, but also the thing that makes you uniquely you, the thing that makes your customers happy that they are your customers. And you do have that. You will realize more than ever that you are the commodity. You are the brand. It's not what you sell. It's not the name brand of the company that you signed up under. You have something that you bring to the table as an expert in your field. And that is what people gravitate toward. And the sooner you embrace that and walk in that, the sooner you will see growth. We are going to talk about how Facebook, making simple changes on Facebook, can massively grow your business. It is so cool. It's so phenomenal. I know you can do this. I'm going to take you by the hand. Everything that I train is step by step. And I promise you that you are going to go from feeling either unheard or spammy or boring on Facebook to feeling like an influencer, feeling like a social media influencer. You will have that kind of clout. You'll have that kind of graphics. You'll have that kind of energy and people wanting to engage with you. Who can get excited about that? I'm giving myself goosebumps because I know what's in store for you. So let's talk about how this plays out. So you are now proud owner of a video course series. So there is an area on my website that is exclusive to you, that you have a sign in, you have a, what is that called? A password, and you will be able to access that part of my website. Nobody else can, only those that have paid for this course. You'll get in there and all the course materials are there for you to easily find, to come back to later. At the click of a button, you can watch videos, go to different websites, go to different apps. I've got tons of recommendations, templates, things to make your life easier so that you're not out there trying to figure it out. I've already tested it. I've already trained from other people, and I already know the best way to do a whole lot of stuff. And so I'm giving that to you all in a beautiful little package. Each week, once you start, is you're on week 1, and I will drip the content to you initially because I don't want you to get overwhelmed. I don't want you to skip around. So week 1, you will have module 1. And if you try to tap into module 2, you'll get a little slap on the back of the hand. Week 2, you'll be able to access module 2, and so on. There are 6 modules in this video course series. Once they've all opened up to you, you can go back and reread and re-access all of it forever. Each module has a video training, at least one from me, usually multiple. So the module will have a major theme, and then there will be video training about that theme, any other supporting materials, supporting apps, templates, whatever is going to be housed in that module. There is also a downloadable, beautiful, full color workbook that you can access either online, and there are clickable links in the workbook to further assist you, or you can print it. And I have been careful not to have too much color in there so that it doesn't use a lot of ink. That's one thing that's a pet peeve of mine, is when the workbook has so much color, I like have to buy a whole, box of ink just to get it to print. So no, I didn't do that. It's mostly white. But you can print that and have that in your hot little hands so that you can take notes and underline and circle things. I'm old school. I like to have that kind of stuff. So whichever way you prefer, that's available to you. Probably my favorite part is that there is a private Facebook group just for us, those who are enrolled in this course, the Boss Babe Academy course, Fast Track to Facebook Success. And everyone there, is serious about building their business, serious about changing their persona on Facebook. They're going through the same things that you're going through. So it's a perfect forum for you to ask questions, to ask for feedback, to say, hey, either I'm feeling discouraged or I'm feeling great, to let us know your successes, to let us know your frustrations, to let us know your questions. I will be there. I will be personally answering. And keep this in mind, that I have a coaching service. So you are actually getting my coaching in a sense. You're there asking questions. I'm coming in. I'm not charging you anything. I'm fielding your questions. So that's all part of what you're paying for, or what you already paid for when you purchase this course. So get excited about that. I'm here for you every step of the way, ad infinitum. All right. I know that even after the course is done, after the 6 weeks are up, that you will continue to have questions, and I am here for you for sure. And that Facebook community is here for you. And I know that you will make friendships that will last a lifetime and that will mean the world to you and your business. So real quick, I'm going to give you a broad overview of the types of stuff that we're going to cover. You will, of course, see this in the workbook. You'll see this on the site, but just so that in your head, you know what to look forward to. We're going to talk about personal branding. You may or may not have heard that term, but basically it's seeing yourself as the brand, the entity, the thing that people are attracted to, as opposed to the brand that you sell. And it is a very new way of thinking, and there are lots of aspects of it. So we're going to talk about the theory behind it, but we're also going to get down into the nitty gritty of, hey, let's pick out some colors for you. Let's pick out a logo. Let's make a banner. It's going to be so cool. And we're going to apply that all over Facebook, but we're going to start with your personal profile. And you're going to go from just, hey, I'm a cat lover, to, I talk about cats a lot. I have cats. To, I'm an entrepreneur with tons of exciting things happening. And your friends are going to perk up and be like, hey, what's going on? They will notice. I guarantee it. They will notice these changes. Then we're going to take a look at your business page. And if you don't have one, we're going to make one. And we're going to shake that up so that you're no longer just posting pictures of products and asking people to book a party or offering sales or talking about team building, but you were going to actually come on with authority and knowledge, and people are going to start seeing you as an influencer and coming to you for knowledge, for suggestions, for recommendations, and they will tell others about your page, and it will grow and grow and grow. I'm going to show you how to make a free resource to offer so easily on your business page that will draw people in like never before. You won't have to go out and beg people or ask people to join. They will be coming to you because you will have everything set up in such a way that it will be happening automatically. The whole idea of attraction marketing, which is what I love to talk about, and I'm sure it'll come up a lot, is that when the right people can really see the benefits of what you offer, they come to you. No more feeling spammy and pushy. It is so amazing. Then we're going to build a private group that, believe it or not, for once is actually going to be engaged and enthused and fun and they're going to want to be there. They're going to look forward to your posts. They're going to want to have other people join. It's going to grow and grow and grow, and you're going to enjoy being in there. I cannot wait for all of the victories to be rolling in, for me to hear the testimonials, because good things are going to be happening even in the weeks that immediately follow, but on into the future, of course. But expect results right away. People will notice that you have chosen to take your business to the next level. They will see you as a public figure, as someone who is an authority in their field, and it will change everything, all starting on Facebook. And you know what my favorite part of Facebook is? It's free. You are getting access to 3 billion people for free. Who would have thunk? We will also talk about what to post. I know that that is always a struggle, but once you understand that your goal is to post value, your goal is to answer the questions of your audience, to serve the needs of your audience, the light bulb will go on and you will have tons of ideas for content. We will talk about how to post, when to post, what to post, and you will be a social media posting machine by the time this is done. And if posting isn't your bag, you can very easily and affordably hire someone to do that for you. Yes, you can. Don't think you can't. Yes, you can. And it is worth it. We will also get into video production, creation, going live, the importance of going live, how to create reels, why are stories important. We're going to cover so many things. And if in this moment you are thinking, I'm glad, but I'm terrified because I don't know anything about tech, you are in the right place. Okay. Here's what I have going for me. I know this. I love to teach, and I know that I'm a good teacher, but I think that the biggest benefit of having someone like me in your corner is that I have recently learned these things. I'm still in the process of applying them. I remember vividly the struggle of having to figure it out. So I have so much compassion. I'm with you in the trenches. I get it. And I want you to learn. I want you to catch up so that we can keep growing together. So I better wrap this up because this was just supposed to be a welcome video. So welcome and get excited. And this does not count as your first module. This is your welcome video. So you will get module 1 right now. So you should have access to that, the videos, all the other goodies, the workbook, the works. So enjoy. Let me know if you have questions. You can reach out to me, Michelle at michellefoxonline.com, anytime. I'm here for you. I'm so excited for the future. I'm so excited about your business. If you are at a place of disbelief, discouragement, I believe for you. All right. So tap into that. We're going to do this. I'm so, so blessed and excited to have you be part of Fast Track to Facebook success.